Darius is talking to Michael on the intercom, and Michael is a friend of the Dobre brother, and Michael has come to the gate with a tow truck, and Darius is worried why Michael has brought a tow truck, and Michael tells him that there is some issue, and Michael asks Darius to open the gate, and Lucas sees on the camera that Michael is at the gate with a tow truck, and Lucas does not know anything about it, and Lucas also gets worried why Michael has come with a tow truck, and Darius thinks that maybe Michael tow truck has broken down, and Lucas thinks that maybe he has come to pick up one of our cars, and Cyrus also does not know anything about it. And then Lucas allows Michael to come in, and Lucas, Cyrus and Darius are waiting outside the house to meet Michael, and then Michael also brings the tow truck inside the house, and Lucas and Darius hope that everything will be fine. Then Lucas and Darius meet Michael, and it turns out that Michael came on the order of the police to pick up the GT3 RS, and Michael also has some documents about it. And Lucas, Darius and Cyrus also get worried. Then Lucas quickly contacts Marcus, and Lucas tells Marcus about the situation, and while Marcus also does not know why the police want to take the GT3 RS. And Lucas tells Marcus to come back quickly, and Lucas, Darius and Cyrus don't understand what to do, and Cyrus does not want the police to come to the house, and Darius suspects that Michael must have been sent by some fake police to take the GT3 RS, but then Lucas, Darius and Cyrus are about to open the garage and hand over the GT3 RS to Michael, and Lucas picks up Marcus' call again, and Marcus does not want to hand over the GT3 RS to the police, and Marcus is also thinking that this could be a fake police job, but then Marcus talks to Michael, and Michael can't help Marcus in this matter because Michael has only come on the orders of the police. Then Lucas takes the GT3 RS out of the garage, and when Lucas is about to load the GT3 RS on the tow truck, Marcus also reaches home, and Marcus gets worried seeing the GT3 RS leaving. Then Michael shows Marcus some documents from the police which are fake, and Michael is pranking Marcus, and Lucas, Darius and Cyrus are also involved in this prank, and Marcus gets very worried for the GT3 RS.